Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Let your body begin to relax as you imagine yourself standing at the edge of a powerful waterfall deep in nature. Feel the cool mist on your skin, refreshing and pure. The sound of rushing water fills your ears, steady and calming. With each breath you take in, draw in peace and calm. As you exhale, let go of any tension, stress, or worries that you may be carrying. Feel the water's energy washing over you, carrying away anything that no longer serves you. Allow yourself to be fully present here in this moment, grounded and peaceful. Let the rushing water remind you of the constant flow of life. Ever moving, ever changing, yet always renewing. Like the water, you too can release and refresh with each breath. Silently repeat to yourself, I am calm, I am safe, I am renewed. Imagine the waterfall's energy flowing through you, cleansing and revitalizing your mind, body, and spirit. Feel your muscles soften, your heart open, your mind clear and free. You are connected to this powerful source of life and renewal. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. And breathe out gently through your mouth for 6 seconds. Again, breathe in for 4 seconds and breathe out for 6 seconds. One last time, breathe in deeply, 4 seconds. And breathe out fully, 6 seconds. Feel your body relaxing more with each breath. Let the calmness spread through every muscle, every cell, from the top of your head down to your toes. Imagine the energy of the waterfall flowing through you now, cool, refreshing, renewing. With each sound of rushing water, feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, as if carried by a soft breeze. Your mind is clear, your heart open, and your spirit calm. Here and now, you are steady, centered, and embraced by peace. Breathe in deeply through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Now allow the singing bowl's tones to fill the space. Let these soothing vibrations resonate deep within, calming your entire being. Feel the peaceful waves of sound wash over you, settling your thoughts and inviting a deep sense of relaxation and clarity. Draw a deep breath in through your nose and let it flow out gently through your mouth. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Open your eyes whenever you feel comfortable, carrying this sense of calm and renewal with you as you continue your day. Like the waterfall, you are constantly renewing, ever flowing, ever strong. You are calm. You are centered. You are exactly where you need to be. May the energy of nature stay with you, clear and steady. As you return to the world, know that this peace is always within you. Namaste.